Welcome to 3rd Standard Social Class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about the topic Panchayat. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn some more information about Panchayat. Last session, we learned about one of the oldest election method of village Panchayat, Kudavole system. Let us continue the session. This image shows the lifestyle of the village people. Let us continue the conversation between Inian and his dad. Inian: Dad, what are the duties of these members? Here these refer the village Panchayat. Dad: their duty is to provide the basic need of the villages. Next, he explained about the obligatory function of the Panchayat. Obligatory, it will refer as the compulsory function. The first one, providing electricity and maintaining the street light. It is the duty of village Panchayat to provide electricity and maintaining the street light. The second one, you see the well in a village, it is drilling by the village Panchayat, drilling and maintaining the village wells. The next one, third one, providing drinking water for the village. The fourth one, constructing road and maintaining them. Village roads, it will be maintained by the village Panchayat. The fifth one, setting up the sewage channels. The wastewater channel will be maintained by the village Panchayat. The sixth one, constructing small bridges. The seventh one, repairing the primary school building, which means the 1 to 5th standard school, it will be maintained by the village Panchayat. The eighth one, providing sanitation facilities, which means the cleanliness, it will be maintained by the village Panchayat. Inian: oh, they are doing so many works, but to do the works, they need a lot of money. What will they do for the money? Let us know, children. The term Gram Swaraj was first introduced by Mahatma Gandhi. He liked to give more importance for the village Panchayat. So that refers as the Gram Swaraj. Dad clarified the doubt of Inian. Our central and state government provide money to the Panchayat. We pay taxes to the Panchayat. Panchayat use this money for the development of the village. Collecting tax is an obligatory function of the Panchayat. Already I explained obligatory, which means a compulsory function of the Panchayat. They do some discretionary functions, which means the voluntary functions, such as the first one, planting trees in either sides of the road. The second one, setting up and maintain the public market. The third one, setting up the gardens. The fourth one, establishing passenger lodges. The fifth one, setting up the and maintenance of playgrounds. Sixth one, constructing library. Establishing centers for informal and adult education. Eighth one, organizing festival in the village. Ninth one, maintaining the cleanliness of the village. This we define as the discretionary function of the village Panchayat. The four types of taxes which we pay to the government. The first one, household tax. The second one, tax for drinking water. Then the next one, it is the property tax. And the fourth one, it is the professional tax. Do you know, children, awards are given to best performing Panchayat and admiring village. 850 houses were built at free of cost for the people of Odanthurai Panchayat in Coimbatore. The Panchayat attained the level of self-sufficiency to provide basic facilities. This village got the following awards: Nirmal Prashkar Award, the second one, Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award. Any award received in your village? Indian. Dad, will you go to the Gram Sabha meeting which will be held tomorrow? Dad, sure, I will go. It is important to participate in the Gram Sabha meeting to discuss the village developmental plans and to take remedial measures. Let us know. Let us know. Gram Sabha is the root of democracy. Democracy refers government by the people. Gram Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times a year. Meeting must be conducted on the following dates. There is the first one, 26th January, that is on Republic Day. The second meeting, it is on 1st May, that is on Labor Day. The third meeting, it is held on 15th August, which is the Independence Day. And the fourth meeting will be held on 2nd October, that is Gandhi Jayanti. Let us learn the duties of Gram Sabha. Planning and executing village developmental programs. The second one, verifying income and expenditure of the village funds. The third one, planning to rectify the grievances of the people. Town Panchayat. Town Panchayat as same as village Panchayat. Here the population ranges between 5,000 to 30,000. The members of the Town Panchayat are elected in the same way as the village Panchayat. The tenure is 5 years. They fulfill the basic requirements of the people of the town. Let us recap. Village Panchayat provide the basic facilities for the village people. Panchayat Raj is the 3-tier system. Collecting tax is an obligatory function of Panchayat. Gram Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times a year. The members of the town Panchayat are elected in the same way as village Panchayat. I hope you got clear information about Panchayat. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.